Hello everyone, today we will dive into an assembly program that is intended to sort numbers in words or change all the vowels to a number. So as you can program to as you can see, the program asks to enter up to 5 numbers. Now let's enter 42, 16, 67, and 23. So as you can see, the program prompts a message: sort by 1 ascending or 2 descending. So let's enter 1. So as you can see here, the sorted items of number are sorted ascendingly. So the first is 3, 15, 23, 42, and 67. So as you observe here, it is returned by least to greatest. So meaning ascending means from least to greatest in terms of numbers. Okay, the main menu prompts again, so let's enter 2. Let's enter 2, which represent word. So here it's asked for enter up to 5 items of word. So let's enter apple, orange, banana, grape, and ube. So it's also asked. It's asked again on how to insert the words ascending or descending. So let's enter 1 to sort ascendingly. So as you can see, it is sorted ascending. So as you observe, of course, the first is so as you observe, the sorted items of word is sort ascendingly, which means it's followed alphabetically arranged. As you can see here, the program asks if we want to change the vowels to a numbers. So let's enter yes, Y for yes. As you can see here, each items from the vowels of each word are changed by its corresponding numbers. So the main menu prompts again. So let's enter now. Let's enter 1. Enter 89, 18, 6, GG, and 35. So as you can see, the program prompts an error message indicating error, invalid input. Please enter only numbers. So need to enter a valid input. 89, 18, 6, and let's change this GG into a number, 88, then 35. So it asks on how to sort the numbers. Let's choose 2 for descending. So as you can see, this is the sorted items. It is sorted from largest number to smallest. Now the main menu prompts again. So now let's enter 2 for word. Then let's enter apple, 1, 2, 3, banana, 4, 5, 6, then cherry. So as you can see here, the program prompts an error message indicating invalid input. Please enter only words. So again, we need to enter a valid input of words. So let's input apple, apples, banana,